Hello viewers, let us learn how to solve this kind of mathematical problem. And we have two sample questions on the board. I will solve question number 2 while you practice question number 1. And in question number 2, we have solve 2 to power p plus 3 plus 2 to power p minus 3 is equal to 260. Now, to solve this very question, when you look at the second expression that we have, you will observe that we have 2 to power p minus what? 3. I will now make this power, this exponent p minus 3 to appear here as well, okay? Which is 2 to power p minus 3 plus 6. These two things, this and this, are the same. If you do minus 3 plus 6, it will give us what? Plus 3. That is, this expression that we have here is the same thing with what we have here. Then I will bring this one on board, which is plus 2 to power p minus what? 3, which is equal to 260. Then the next thing that I will do now is this. For this side, I will factor out what they have in common. And what they have in common is what? 2 power p minus what? 3. And when I factor it out, what will be left here is what? Is 2 to power what? 6. Okay, if I factor that same 2 power p minus 3 out, what will be left here is what? Is 1. Okay, which is equal to 260. Okay, now what this thing now means is that 2 to power p minus 3, then bracket open, 2 power 6 means 2 multiplying itself into 6 places, which is what? 64, plus 1, it will give us 65. Okay, which is equal to 260. But before I proceed, note that what I applied here is what? The one of the laws of indices. Like this thing now, what we have here now is what? 2 to power what? P minus what? 3. Okay, then this plus that we have here now, we assume that there is a multiplication here. Okay, then 2 to power what? 6. Okay, when you look at this, you observe that the base are the same. Okay, when I pick one of the base, it will now be 2 to power what? P minus what? 3. Then because of the multiplication, I will do plus what? 6. So that is the concept that I applied here. So you don't have to be confused. Okay, now when you look at what we have here now, you will observe that this and this is equal to this. So I can think of what I will do so that this 65 will be eliminated. How will I do that? I will divide both sides by what? By 65. So when I do, this 65 will, and 65 that happens to be a denominator, will cancel out. We will now have 2 power p minus 3 is equal to 260 divided by 65. It will give us what? 4. And that 4 is the same thing as 2 power what? 2. Okay, now when you look at this, you will observe that the base are the same. Then the base will cancel out. We will now have p minus 3 is equal to 2. And when minus 3 crosses to the other side, it will become p equal to 2 plus what? 3, which is equal to 5. So the value of p that we are looking for is what? Is 5. So if you like my video, you do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching me from YouTube channel. And the essence of subscribing to YouTube channel is for you to get notification when I upload what? New video. And if you are watching me from Facebook, TikTok or Instagram, you give my page a follow. See you in my next video. Bye bye.